My name is Carissa, and good afternoon. I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to take part of this, letting me take part of this hearing today. I'm the Secretary and Committee Chair of KADP.
Excuse me, let me ask a question. You are Carissa?
Yes, ma'am.
And is this Crystal?
Nick.
Who is Crystal? Okay, so
He's my moral support.
Oh, okay. So don't let him talk. All right, go ahead.
I'm the Secretary and Committee Chair of KADP. KADP is an acronym for Kids Against the Death Penalty. We are an organization dedicated to ending the death penalty across the United States. Yes, we are kids, but we know that the murder of any kind is wrong, and that includes state-sanctioned murder. In order to accomplish the goal of countrywide abolition, we must unite with other anti-death penalty organizations in an effort to raise awareness and unite in strength and in numbers. We are the people, and if we stand in solidarity, we can effect change. We believe that the death penalty is wrong for the following reasons. The Bible says, "Thou shalt not kill." That includes the convicted murderers. We need to show mercy to those who have wronged us, or mercy will not be shown on us by our Heavenly Father. The death penalty makes a murderer of someone else. The death penalty punishes the poor and underprivileged. The death penalty allows for the murder of innocent people. So the death penalty creates more victims. The death penalty is a cruel and unusual form of torture. The death penalty is not a deterrent to murder or other violent crimes. The death penalty wastes taxpayers' money. And did you know that currently the United States has more than 3,500 men and women who sit on death row? A majority of these victims on death row are poor and cannot or could not afford proper representation. Many of these suffer from mental illness or mental retardation. Some did not commit the crime, but were sentenced under the law of parties, and will die for a murder the courts and jury know they did not commit. The average death penalty case per offender costs $1 million to $3 million. Some go as high as $7 million. While housing an inmate for life, on the other hand, costs only about $500,000. In addition to the fact that I am chosen as a speaker to represent KADP, I'm also here as a friend and supporter of Jeff Wood and his daughter Paige. I have seen firsthand what Paige has been through, and there are no words to describe the pain of the kids and death row inmates go through, especially those convicted under the Texas law of parties. It is for these reasons that I'd like to show my support for House Bill 2267. Thank you.
Thank you. Questions, members?
Could I just say something, Madam Chair? Thank you.
Recognize Representative Dutton.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I just want to say thank you all for being here. We're a committee that tries to invite public testimony always, but it's always so refreshing when you hear it from youngsters. And so I just want to thank you and all of the friends that you have that came today to share your thoughts with us. That's awfully impressive. And I wish more citizens did that. Thank you.
Representative Moody?
I want to echo the thoughts of Representative Dutton. I'm currently serving as the youngest member of the House in this session. Some people may have thought I was a little too young to be here, so it's very good to see young people getting involved. This is one of the major ways to be involved in your government. So I know it's nervous, you get nervous to get up here, but thank you for being here.
And Ms. Bywater, the only thing that they didn't tell you, you and your moral support, you did extremely well.